right, hopefully this was some good review, and then also talking about domain and range. So h of 0, remember that means my input is 0. What's the height at time of 0 seconds? Well, the height here at 0 seconds is 6 feet. So h of 0 is equal to 6 feet. And then as the ball drops, h of x equals 0. This is saying when is the output 0? So all the points here where it touches the x-axis, those are all output of 0. It hits the floor, right? So it's like 0.54, 1.5, 2.25. I guess it's 1.48. I'm looking more carefully at those points. And all, et cetera, all the points where it hits the 0 there. This is saying when is y equal to 0. Okay, so the domain. Remember, the domain is talking about my inputs or the x values, the possible x values of the function. So in this case, my inputs are my time. What's the possible inputs? Well, really, we know that time could even continue past 4 seconds. And so we're not going to have negative time. So basically, x has to be greater than 0. So greater than or equal to 0 is going to be my inputs, right? Those x values, time is positive. It's greater than 0. Now, if we're talking about the range, remember, is my outputs or my y values for the function. So if I'm looking at the range, first of all, it's not going to go negative. The smallest that my range gets here is 0. The largest that it's going to be is 6. Is the ball ever going to bounce back up higher than 6 feet? I don't think so. So in total, when I look there at the y-axis, the outputs that I would have are going to be somewhere between 0 and 6. So I could write that as 0 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 6. Or I could just say between 0 and 6 as a way to describe what the outputs are.